Hi, this is Walker with Sale House Columbus, and I'm here with Ellen. We just got done with the closing here, and Ellen, just a couple questions. How did you hear about Sale House Columbus?
I received a postcard in the mail, and I called the telephone number, and you responded.
Okay. And how has your experience been working with us?
No problem. We made an appointment, and the weather was bad, but we were able to keep the appointment in spite of ice and snow. And you saw the house, and we had some discussion. Fairly promptly after that, a day or two later, I received an offer, which I signed and sent back in. The closing's been delayed because there were some problems getting the mortgage record cleared from the title. And you were very patient and not problematic with that, so it all went well.
Awesome. Yeah, we got that done, so that was good. And last question for you. If someone else was considering selling their home with us, what would you say about working with us?
I would say you were prompt, honest, and very courteous.
Okay, awesome. Well, we appreciate it, and glad we could get this done together. Thank you.
No problem.